I've got a vintage Singer, model 1591. Serial number is AE263081 and dates it to 1936. The machine's been completely rewired and is in good working order. You can see the light works, passes the tap test, it doesn't flicker. And just basically going to show you how well the machine stitches. We've got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo in the ad. Got slow speed and fast. And there you can see it is equal stitch both sides. Next I got 4 layers of the soft leather. It's typically found on jackets. There you can see that's got an equal stitch. And then finally 4 layers of vinyl upholstery. And there you have it.